Hello, Black Wall Street EDU family. My name is Selena, and I'm here to get you ready for another exciting week of trading. Let's talk about what's coming up and where the opportunities are for us as day traders to profit. Number 1, economic reports to watch. This week is packed with data that could move the markets. Manufacturing PMI. This report will give us insight into the health of the manufacturing sector. Look for opportunities in industrial and materials stocks. Tuesday, job openings and labor turnover survey. Labor market strength often impacts consumer discretionary stocks and could influence market sentiment. Wednesday, ADP employment report. A preview of Friday's jobs report. Watch for reactions in indices like the S&P 500 or Dow. Friday, non-farm payrolls. The main event. This report often creates significant volatility across all sectors. Look for momentum trades in tech, financials, and energy. Number 2, earnings highlights. Earnings season continues, and these companies are reporting this week. Tuesday, Coinbase. With crypto markets rebounding, this could be a volatile trade. Thursday, Broadcom, a leader in the semiconductor space. Watch for momentum in the tech sector. Number 3, key sectors to watch. Here are the hot sectors for this week. Energy. OPEC plus updates and crude oil inventory reports could create moves in ETFs like XLE or stocks like ExxonMobil, XOM. Tech. AI and chip-related news continue to drive volatility in companies like NVIDIA, NVDA, and AMD. Keep an eye on sector rotation. Following the flow of institutional money will keep you ahead of the curve. Number 4, trading strategies for the week. Momentum trading. Focus on volatility around economic reports and earnings announcements. Breakout trades, watch for pre-market and intraday levels to capitalize on moves triggered by strong catalysts. Options strategies. Consider straddles or strangles for high-impact events like Friday's NFP report. This week is shaping up to be an exciting one with plenty of opportunities to capitalize on market moves. Stay disciplined, stick to your strategy, and always manage your risk. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy trading. Let's build wealth together. See you next time, and thank you for joining Black Wall Street EDU. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to receive weekly updates. Until next time, peace.